X was a professional wrestling tag team in National Wrestling Alliance (NWA) territories from 1998 to 2000. The team initially consisted of Brad Anderson and Drake Dawson. Anderson was later replaced by Curtis Thompson. The team ended after Dawson retired from wrestling. National Wrestling Alliance, 1998-2000. Brad Anderson and Drake Dawson, 1998-1999. In 1998, Brad Anderson formed a tag team with Drake Dawson called X, or was abbreviated to XXX. The team was managed by Strawberry Fields and competed in National Wrestling Alliance (NWA) territory, Mid-Atlantic Championship Wrestling. On June 26, 1999, X defeated Border Patrol, Chris Cannon and Mike Cannon, for the NWA Northern Continental Tag Team Championship. Curtis Thompson and Drake Dawson, 1999-2000. Curtis Thompson, the former Firebreaker Chip of World Championship Wrestling, WCW, joined X during the team's Northern Continental Tag Team title reign. On September 11, 1999, Thompson replaced Brad Anderson and became Drake Dawson's partner as the Northern Continental Tag Team Champion. At NWA's 51st anniversary show, Thompson and Dawson defeated the Sex Pistols, David Young and Shane Austin, in a 4-team number 1 contenders tournament for the NWA World Tag Team Championship. They qualified to wrestle Team Extreme, Kid Carson and Chris Germany, in the number 1 contenders match, which X lost. As 2000 began, X had become the top tag team of Mid-Atlantic Championship Wrestling. On March 3, Thompson and Dawson defeated Team Extreme for their first NWA World Tag Team title. On March 17, X Northern Continental Tag Team Championship was renamed the NWA Mid-Atlantic Tag Team Championship. Holding both the titles, X eventually lost the World Tag Team Championship to Main Event, Reno Riggins and Steven Dunn, on April 5. On April 19, X defeated L.A. Stevens and Big Bubba Payne for their second NWA World Tag Team title. X held the title for 118 days. On August 15, Jeff Justice substituted for Dawson and teamed with Thompson during a title defense against Bad Attitude, David Young and Rick Michaels. Thompson and Justice lost the titles. In September 2000, X vacated the Mid-Atlantic Tag Team title due to Dawson retiring from professional wrestling. As a result, X disbanded. Championships and accomplishments: National Wrestling Alliance, NWA World Tag Team Championship, 2 times. NWA Mid-Atlantic Championship Wrestling. NWA Northern Continental Tag Team Championship, 1 time. NWA Mid-Atlantic Tag Team Championship, 1 time. References. External links: Curtis Thompson at Online World of Wrestling. Brad Anderson at Online World of Wrestling.